Prank Next in here, and today we're going to be making vanilla cakes with sprinkles and hot pink frosting. The sprinkles are hot pink too. And here the things we're going to be needing: a large bowl, and a greased up cake pan, 2 large eggs, and a stick of butter. Now let's get started. Now I have all ingredients. I forgot we needed 1 cold cup of milk. Now let's pour it. Wait, but my mom already added the butter and the eggs. So now I'm gonna just pour milk. 1 cup. There. Now that my mom already mixed this, so now I'm gonna pour in this and then mix it all together again. I'm gonna pour all of it in. Now that's it. There we go. Now let's mix it. Mix, 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 mix. We're gonna mix this together until your batter is smooth. Not really smooth yet. It feels kind of smooth. It feels smooth. I'm just gonna mix it for a while though. What's this smooth you can put in your cake pan? Now that my mommy pulled the cake back and here and this tray, we can put it in the oven in 350 degrees. 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Our cake is all ready, and now I'm gonna frost it.